Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated mirrorless cameras of the year, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Whether you're a seasoned wildlife photographer, a fast-action sports shooter, or a content creator looking for a powerful hybrid camera, this one should definitely be on your radar. Let's break down everything we know so far about the upcoming Canon EOS R7 Mark II, from expected specs and features to design tweaks, price predictions, and its potential release window. If you're serious about photography or videography in 2025, you'll want to stick around for this one. Canon is expected to maintain the compact, rugged DNA of the original R7 while introducing subtle refinements to improve user comfort and operational speed. Early reports suggest a newly sculpted grip that's both deeper and more contoured, ideal for long sessions in the field or studio. Also rumored is improved weather sealing that aligns more closely with Canon's professional-level bodies like the EOS R6 Mark II and EOS R5, offering better dust and moisture resistance. This makes the R7 Mark II a great option for those who shoot in unpredictable environments. Expect updated tactile controls too, with an improved joystick and more responsive command dials designed for seamless adjustments on the go. And if the speculation holds true, we could even see a top LCD panel, a welcome addition borrowed from Canon's higher-end DSLRs and mirrorless full-frame cameras. A huge part of the excitement surrounding the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is its rumored next-generation APS-C BSI sensor, expected to land somewhere between 32 MP and 35 MP. While that's only a modest increase from the current 32.5 MP, the real advantage comes from the BSI architecture, which is known for significantly enhancing low-light performance and dynamic range. Pair this with Canon's Digic X processor, or possibly a new gen processor designed specifically for 2025, and you're looking at better high ISO output, faster readouts, and richer tonal accuracy. The R7 Mark II is poised to offer cleaner shadows, improved highlight retention, and greater detail in challenging lighting scenarios, a huge deal for both professionals and hobbyists. Photographers focused on landscape, nightscape, and editorial. Photography can expect cleaner files straight out of the camera, minimizing the need for heavy post-processing. One of the most exciting upgrades is the integration of dual-pixel CMOS AF2, a sophisticated autofocus system borrowed and refined from Canon's flagship models like the EOS R3 and R5 Mark II. This new AF system is expected to bring lightning-fast focusing speeds, along with enhanced eye, face, animal, and vehicle tracking, even in low-contrast or erratically lit environments. Advanced AI-assisted scene recognition could allow the camera to intelligently adjust focus priority depending on what's happening in the frame. This is a game-changer for sports, wildlife, and action photographers who rely on razor-sharp subject detection in rapidly changing scenes. Rumors also suggest expanded autofocus zones, which would make it easier to track fast-moving subjects from edge to edge, delivering flagship-level performance in a more compact crop sensor body. Canon is expected to take a bold step forward with the video capabilities of the EOS R7 Mark II. Insiders are hinting at 6K 60fps internal video recording, using the full width of the sensor ideal for filmmakers, YouTubers, and hybrid creators looking for cinematic quality without compromise. You'll also likely get 10-bit 4.2.2 color depth, support for Canon Log 3, and even 120 FPS at 4K resolution with minimal or no cropping, perfect for slow-motion B-roll. These specs would position the R7 Mark II as one of the top APS-C video cameras on the market. Improvements in heat management and internal buffering could allow for longer record times, while dual UHS-2 SD card slots are expected to make file handling more efficient and safer for professionals on set or in the field. Canon may also enhance its in-camera audio capabilities, potentially offering better preamps, waveform monitoring, and a more advanced user interface for audio control, something solo shooters and indie filmmakers will greatly appreciate. The original EOS R7 already offered a competitive in-body image stabilization system, but the Mark II is expected to improve on that significantly. Reports suggest up to 8 stops of stabilization, especially when paired with compatible RF lenses, making handheld shooting smoother than ever. But the real kicker might be a new intelligent IS coordination system. This system could fine-tune stabilization based on movement type, be it panning, static shooting, or tracking subjects, making it an even stronger performer for run-and-gun creators, travel photographers, and videographers. Canon is reportedly revamping the user interface of the EOS R7 Mark II, taking cues from its cinema cameras like the Canon C70 and professional models like the R5. Expect more customizable buttons, an upgraded quick control dial, and faster access to essential functions like white balance, AF modes, and frame rate options. The vari-angle touchscreen is expected to remain, now potentially with improved touch responsiveness and higher brightness, for better outdoor visibility. A new digital teleconverter mode or pixel shift high-resolution mode may be included, offering even more versatility to APS-C users who want to push resolution without stepping into full-frame territory. Modern shooters demand seamless connectivity, and Canon appears to be delivering just that. The EOS R7 Mark II is rumored to come equipped with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB-C 3.2, ensuring rapid file transfers, tethered shooting, and smooth wireless control via the Canon Camera Connect app. Improved tethering support will appeal to studio professionals, while hybrid shooters will appreciate enhanced live view controls and smoother streaming capabilities. Dual UHS-2 SD card slots ensure redundancy, speed, and flexibility critical for anyone working on important client projects or lengthy video shoots. While Canon hasn't officially confirmed pricing, most industry analysts expect the Canon EOS R7 Mark II to debut somewhere in the range of $1,599 to $1,799, depending on the final specs and kit options. This places it firmly in the high-end APS-C category, but still offers substantial value for professionals who want flagship features without full frame size and cost. As for the release date, rumors suggest we could see an official announcement in late Q3 or early Q4 of 2025, possibly aligning with Canon's usual fall product launches. That means availability could follow shortly after, just in time for the holiday shopping season.